I touch you? Oh, okay.
Lorna.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Hello! Hello, baby! Oh!
Hi. Come.
Say good morning.
Oakley, come here. Come here.
Do you wanna go for a walk?
Luna, can I get an I love you?
Mama? Rocco, go lay down.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, I love you.
I love you. Good boy.
Say I love you. Say I love you.
Tess, what do you want? Can you use your words? No, you can't use your words.
No. No.